Today I'm sharing a new technique I tried for the first time, sublimating a skinny tumbler in an air fryer using shrink wrap. First, we need to ensure a clean surface for optimal sublimation. Let's give our tumbler a quick clean to remove any dust or debris. Now, it's time to add our design. I've already printed out my design. Carefully place the design onto the tumbler, making sure it's centered and positioned correctly. You might see how dull the print is, and that is always the case with the print itself. Just wait until the end and you will see how this design will pop. I don't use a ton of tape, but I've learned that a little extra tape at the edges can really make a difference, even when you use shrink wrap. Next, we'll use shrink wrap to secure the design. To shrink the wrap and adhere it to the tumbler, we'll use a heat gun. Start by applying heat to one section of the wrap. Slowly move the heat gun around the tumbler, making sure to evenly distribute the heat. As the wrap shrinks, it will conform to the shape of the tumbler. Make sure there are no air bubbles left in the shrink wrap. In the meantime, I have put on my air fryer on 180 degrees or 350 Fahrenheit for a few minutes, so it's already on temperature. Please note, once you've used your air fryer or oven for sublimation, it's no longer safe to use for food preparation. It's highly recommended to dedicate a separate appliance for sublimation purposes. Now, let's place the tumbler into the air fryer. I'm setting the temperature to 180 degrees or 350 Fahrenheit and the time to 4 minutes. When the time is done, turn the tumbler and put it back for 4 more minutes. Because I don't use gloves, which I should, I have put the tumbler in a bucket of water. This way the sublimation process stops and it cools down the tumbler right away. Unfortunately, the seam is not perfect because I didn't tape it good enough. You can see the ghosting near the seam. But other than the seam, it's perfect. Look how vibrant the colors are. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crafty ideas. Happy crafting!